Welcome. Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today, guys, is my update. November 14th, T-Nog, cabbage, and collard grow off. Yes, I finally got something popping in the garden. There's life. I had my nephew and some of his basketball teammates to come over and help me in the garden. So we weeded. We took up all the weeds that was in the garden, and these young guys were very, very excited to actually work in the garden. And for that part, I already feel that I'm a winner because I'm introducing these youths to the garden. They had the opportunity to see dragon fruit for the first time and taste dragon fruit for the first time. They were super duper excited about that. So let's get into the video. This is them working in the garden, picking out the weeds, and I allowed them to actually plant the cabbage seeds inside of the garden, and that is what you're gonna see in the video. So you guys know the motto on the page: each one teach one, juicing with Jay, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Peace.